Overthinking kills more dream than failure ever will. Have you just sat into a place and sitting and thinking about your dreams, that what you want to do in your life, but ended up doing nothing? Yeah, me too. That's overthinking. Overthinking is actually talking with yourself inside your mind, talking with your fears. Like you may be thinking that what if I fail? What if it will be not possible? What people will say about me? So this kind of things we are overthinking. But you know what is the real danger? The real danger is that instead of using our energy in doing, we are wasting our energy in thinking. And that's the biggest problem. Correct? But you understand one thing. Suppose you want to do a task, right? You have started a business or anything and you want to do it, and you are having that thoughts in your mind that if I fail, what will happen, right? Correct. But if you did that thing, suppose you tried that thing and you failed also, what will be the outcome? At least you will become a better person than a person sitting and just scrolling reel whole time, right? Because suppose if you not did, what you will do in that time? Mostly we'll be wasting time in insta reels, this that, right? But that time will be utilized properly. At least you will move slow, but you will move. That is the benefit. Correct. And suppose if you got successful, then think what will happen. You will get the life which you want. You will complete the dream which you want. You will get the confidence on yourself so that you will able to complete more dreams which you wanted in your life. So that's why instead of overthinking, let's focus on doing. Maybe it will be small action, but let it start today.